One day, the animal friends decided to venture into the deep and mysterious forest. They were excited to discover new places and meet new creatures. As they journeyed further, they noticed the beauty of the forest, the colorful flowers, the tall trees, and the melodious songs of the birds. However, as they ventured deeper, they also noticed that some parts of the forest were not as vibrant as before. The once green trees were dying, and the animals' homes were disappearing. The friends felt a sadness in their hearts and knew they had to do something to protect their beloved forest. Lily, Coco, and Max decided to seek the help of the wise old owl, Mr. Wisdom. They knew he would have the answers they were looking for. They found him perched on a branch, his eyes shining with wisdom. Mr. Wisdom, our forest is in trouble. The trees are dying, and our homes are disappearing. What can we do to save it? Lily asked with concern. Mr. Wisdom listened attentively and then spoke. My dear friends, the forest is a precious gift that we must cherish and protect. You can start by spreading awareness among other animals about the importance of taking care of nature. Teach them to plant trees, pick up litter, and conserve water. Together, we can make a difference. The friends nodded in agreement and set out on their mission. They organized a gathering with all the forest animals and shared their concerns about the dying forest. They explained the importance of preserving nature and how each animal could contribute. The animals were inspired by the friends' words and pledged to take care of the forest. They formed teams to plant new trees, clean up the litter, and conserve water. The forest started to regain its beauty, and the animals' homes became safe and vibrant once again. As the forest thrived, the friends realized that their efforts had made a difference. They understood the importance of working together and how small actions could have a big impact. They became the guardians of the forest, always ready to protect and preserve its magic. And so, the magical forest remained a place of wonder and beauty, thanks to the love and care of its animal guardians. The friends continued to inspire others, teaching them the value of nature and the importance of preserving it for generations to come. Remember, my dear friends, we are all guardians of nature. Let us cherish and protect our precious forests, for they hold the key to a magical and sustainable future.